In honor of our stellar community members, Georgia Haitian-American Chamber of Commerce present Pwochen Lide Award Recipients. Reginald Desroches, Keeper of the Legacy Award winner. Keepers of the Legacy are the creators and guardians of the new future for Haiti in word and deed. They ensure continuity and future leadership as mentors of young men and women. Reginald Desroches, chair of the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the Georgia Institute of Technology, became Dean of Rice University's George R. Brown School of Engineering on July 1, 2017. Tamar Torchon, Trailblazer Award winner. Trailblazers pave the way with their success in business and personal and community life. They lead their communities with their success and desire to lift up those around them. Tamar Torchon's passion for helping others has always been an important contributor in the decisions she has made and will continue to make. As director of Solid Foundation Christian Academy, Torchon is dedicated to helping strengthen the community and building leaders for the future. Reginald Grandpierre, Torchbearer Award winner. Torchbearers keep the conversation for a developed Haiti alive through their speech and actions, and they have been doing so consistently for a period of time. Reginald Grandpierre is the founder of Total Maintenance Inc., a residential cleaning provider in Atlanta, and the Itia Coffee Initiative. Itia Coffee is a Georgia corporation engaged in promoting Haitian-grown coffee in North America and positively impacting the lives of Haitian coffee producers by committing a portion of the sales to fund educational and other development activities in rural Haiti.